Our Earth is a truly wonderful place. It is filled with so much beauty. Seen from high above, it is more amazing. It looks like a giant, colorful painting, or perhaps it is like a special world, a world carefully made from soft clay. Each part of it is very special indeed. Each new view is a happy surprise for us. This is our planet, full of natural wonder, a place of constant discovery and joy. Imagine you are a graceful bird flying high. You are soaring through the clear blue sky. Looking down, the whole world unfolds below you. Rivers look like shining silver ribbons. Mountains are like crumpled pieces of paper. Forests become like soft green carpets. The scale of everything is simply breathtaking. It is a view that few ever get to see, a privilege to witness such grandeur. The earth shows its true face from up there. The colors are so bright and so clear. Deep blues of the vast mysterious ocean, rich greens of the dense, ancient forests, fiery reds and oranges of the hot deserts. It is a palette brimming with natural wonders. Each shape, each lovely hue perfectly placed, as if a great artist painted it all. Our first exciting flight takes us to Australia. Below us now lies a truly magnificent treasure. It is the world-famous Great Barrier Reef. It stretches for many, many miles along the coast, a bright blue canvas dotted with vibrant life. This is the largest living thing on Earth. You can even see it from outer space, a thin, bright line against the deep blue sea. It is a world of its own, under the waves, a place of constant wonder and activity. From high up in the sky, it is a maze of colors. Bright turquoise waters shimmer in the sunlight. Dark blue deep channels snake through the reef. And the corals. Oh, the corals themselves shine. Like tiny precious jewels scattered in the sea. Some corals are green, some are purple, some yellow. They form incredible structures beneath the water. It is a garden of stone, made by tiny animals. A testament to the power of small things working together over thousands of years. Do you see all the amazing patterns there? The reef forms such intricate, lovely shapes. Swirls and long lines and patches of color. It is like an artist's giant underwater garden. Small fish, like tiny bright specks, move through it. You can almost see them even from high up. Perhaps a turtle swims slowly past. Now we shall soar high over the continent of Africa to the ancient and timeless Namib Desert. Here, huge mountains of sand meet the cold sea. It is a sight of stark, powerful, raw beauty. This is a place of incredible contrasts, of endless golden sand under a blue sky. One of the oldest deserts in the world. Its name means vast place, and it truly is. A land shaped by wind and by time, where survival is a remarkable feat. Look down from our viewpoint in the sky. The dunes are absolutely enormous, towering high. They rise like giant silent waves of sand, colored in beautiful shades of apricot, orange and red. The strong wind sculpts them day after day, constantly changing their intricate shapes and forms, like soft, pliable clay molded by an unseen hand. Some dunes are star-shaped, others long ridges. Their crests are sharp against the clear sky, a landscape that is always in motion, where the vast desert meets the Atlantic Ocean. It is a truly dramatic and unforgettable line. Foaming white waves crash onto the shore, right against the tall, silent, watchful dunes. A constant, timeless battle of the elements. The powerful water against the shifting sand, the deep blue against the warm, rich gold. We fly higher now, much higher than before, toward the very roof of our incredible world, the mighty, awe-inspiring Himalayan mountains. Great peaks of rock pierce the bright blue sky, covered in blankets of brilliant white snow. It is a silent kingdom of ice and ancient rock, so grand, so imposing, so utterly majestic. The air here is thin and very cold, but the views are clearer than anywhere else, a truly spiritual and uplifting place. From our special vantage point high above, we can see the true giants of our planet. Mount Everest, the highest of them all, K2, a formidable and challenging peak. Their mighty summits gleam brightly in the sun. Glaciers, like huge frozen rivers of ice, curve down their slopes, carving out deep valleys. Over thousands of years, they look like giant streaks of white paint. Against the dark, rugged face of the mountains, these are the young mountains of our world. The scale of everything here is simply immense. Tiny villages, if you can see them, are mere specks. The massive mountains stretch as far as the eye can see, a jagged, formidable barrier of rock and ice. Their sharp, pointed peaks resemble carefully sculpted clay that has been fired in an icy kiln, creating hard, enduring shapes of great power. Section 5, the Amazon rainforest, a green ocean of life. Let us now journey to the continent of South America, to the largest and most vital rainforest on Earth, the amazing, sprawling Amazon. From high above, it is a vast, unbroken green carpet stretching out to the distant horizon in every direction. An incredible, seemingly endless ocean of trees, full of hidden secrets and undiscovered life. This forest plays a vital role for our planet. It breathes for us, producing precious oxygen, a true lung of the earth. Mighty rivers wind their way through this green expanse. The Amazon River itself, a true giant among rivers, looks like a giant brown serpent from this height. Its many tributaries branch out from the main channel, creating intricate, beautiful patterns in the landscape. These rivers are the lifeblood of the forest, carrying water and nutrients to all its parts and providing homes for countless creatures. Section 6 is the Grand Canyon Times Deep Canvas. Our strong wings now carry us over to North America, to a place of truly breathtaking and humbling scale, the magnificent, world-renowned Grand Canyon. A giant, impressive wound in the Earth's ancient surface, carved patiently by the mighty Colorado River. It stands as a vivid testament to the power of time and the relentless work of nature's forces. This canyon is a storybook written in rock. Each layer tells a part of Earth's long history, a history stretching back millions of years. Look at the many colorful layers of rock reds, oranges, yellows, and deep browns. Each distinct layer tells its own ancient story. Millions and millions of years of Earth's history exposed for all of us to see and marvel at. Like a giant, striped and intricate clay sculpture that has been carefully baked by the hot desert sun. The oldest rocks at the bottom are nearly 2 billion years old. Imagine the world as it was back then. A very different place to the one we know. The canyon is so incredibly deep and so wide. Section 7, Tulip Fields of Holland, Nature's Ordered Rainbow. We travel now across the ocean to Europe, to the flat, picturesque lands of the Netherlands, especially in the vibrant season of springtime. Below us, a very different kind of beauty unfolds. Not wild like the desert, but wonderfully ordered. The world-famous and colourful Dutch tulip fields, a stunning man-made marvel, a joy to behold. These fields are a celebration of colour and life, a tradition that goes back centuries, and a sight that draws visitors from all over. From high up in the air, they are truly astonishing. Perfectly straight, neat lines of brilliant colour, bright reds, vibrant yellows, and deep, rich purples, soft, gentle pinks, and pure, clean whites, stretching far across the flat green landscape like a giant, carefully stitched striped blanket, or perhaps neat, ordered rows of coloured clay. Each strip is a different variety of tulip, planted with care and precision by skilled farmers, creating a breathtaking visual feast. It is a living, breathing, colourful mosaic, a clear testament to human partnership with nature. Each individual field is a block of solid colour, lying neatly next to another and then another, creating a joyful, stunning geometric pattern that delights the eye and lifts the spirit. Section 8. The skies embrace a new way to see. Why do these incredible views from high above move us so? Flying high above the Earth changes our perspective. The world we know looks very different from up there. Our everyday problems often seem much smaller. The bigger picture of life becomes clearer to us. We begin to see important connections we never noticed when on the ground. It's like seeing the world for the very first time with fresh eyes and a sense of wonder, a feeling of freedom and expansiveness. From the sky we can clearly see the patterns, the graceful sweeping curve of a mighty river, the intricate fan-like spread of a river delta, the hypnotic rhythmic ripple of desert sand dunes, the delicate complex design of a living coral reef. These are Earth's own magnificent artworks, often hidden from us in plain sight until we rise above and look down upon them. Nature is the greatest artist of all, and the Earth is its magnificent canvas. It is like looking at a giant living map. But this amazing map is constantly alive. It breathes with life, it changes with the seasons. Section 9. Guarding our masterpiece. A future for wonder. These truly beautiful and inspiring places, these wonderful claymation wonders of our living world, they are not just pretty pictures for us to admire, they are absolutely vital for life on Earth. They support countless species of plants and animals. They hold the ancient stories of our planet, they inspire our dreams and our creativity. They are Earth's most precious, irreplaceable treasures. Each one is unique, each one is valuable, and each one deserves our utmost care. But sadly, many of these wonders are fragile. The vibrant coral reefs face the threat of warming seas. The vast green rainforests face ongoing deforestation. The ancient mighty glaciers are slowly melting away.